Hey, Dave Knight here at DaveKnightTrading.com. Thanks for watching. Thank you for being here, or soon to be. Dave Knight Trading. Okay, so PA6. So far, so good. I, I'm going to stop here at plus 205 on the day. I traded the afternoon, basically 2:30 to 3:30. So an hour window that I was looking at today. I had an opportunity to make a lot more, so I can't say that. I caught a couple. Actually, my best trade today was, believe it or not, was a long, but I missed the short coming back down. I'll grab my 5-minute chart and we'll talk about the trade setups today. So here's our 5-minute chart. Okay, I missed this move here. I caught that move. This is the move that was the winner for me today. And but so close to holding on to this one. But I did catch this one down here, and I caught this move going up a little bit. So I was actually
Potential
negative on the
TBS
day. I
on
was
MP.
down. I was down $330 because I first off tried to go long and then got hit, and then I went short. You know what? Actually, let me rephrase this. My short trade right in here, I believe, from here. I missed the initial one. I got hit and caught on this move going up, but I did get back to break even, I believe, going
TBS on
down to
MQ.
here, and then I caught from as the market closed right here on this one.
Potential TX
I
on
missed this
MQ.
one, but I caught that one going this way. So this trade right here is the one that made me positive. So I was negative in here, and then I noticed that this bar and it went down, and then we had this 5-minute, and I thought, all right, we're going to go up. So I caught that move going up. So that was where I got. So I guess the swing itself was about a $500 swing going from a loss to a plus. So um, I'm within range of where I want to be. I'd like to be winning around 3 to 500 a day or more. But I also got to remember that I was down on the day 330 before I turned it around. So it's a win for me. I haven't had a PA win in a long time. So the overall goal on my PA now is to get, let's get my screen draw tool back out, is to get, so we've got the PA, this one, all right. So this one here, the object right now is to get the 55 or 56,000 and then request a $2,000 withdrawal. So if I can do it in
Potential
about
TX
10
on
trading
RVY.
days,
Potential double TX on RVY.
that will put me in line to be able to 10 TDs. That'll put me in line basically to be able to request a withdrawal, hopefully around June 1st or whenever June withdrawal date is. I don't know exactly. I think they do 2 withdrawals, one at the beginning of the month, one towards the end of the month, or one mid-month, one. But there's 2 different times that you can ask
Draft
for
orders.
withdrawal. So
Exhaustion box on
the overall
RVY.
goal
Double
is
TX on RVY.
the overall goal basically is to get that $2,000. That's my. I haven't been able to do this at Apex, and I'm. This is it. PA6. PA6 is going to be the one that I'm going to take some money instead of donating money. So basically, that $2,000 in the end, in the long run, will most likely just end up paying for the time that I have put in and the money that I've devoted to Apex. So I'll need another, looks like another $2,000 withdrawal to get on the positive side. So it's basically going to be getting back to the money that I've put into it. So, but it can happen. I've been able to trade much better over the short period of time, and I'm even a little bit more excited going. I would say excited, that's not the right word, but I'm a little bit less cautious. Well, not cautious either, but um, not as fearful. There, that's the word I want to use. Not as fearful taking on a long as I was in the past. So on the front, I'm still seeking medical leave at work. I haven't officially qualified yet. I have some paperwork that still needs to be updated and fixed. So I'm hoping to get back to work, even though I really don't want to be at the casino anymore. It is a paying job. I've been there 2.5 years. I'm trying to make um, my trade opportunities in the afternoon, hopefully between 12 to 3:30.
Potential
Well, actually
effects
not
on
12,
MQ.
but 12:30, 3:30 is kind of like my window of that I'm looking at trading, trying to keep it between a half an hour to an hour in front of the computer screen on a daily basis. Um, if I do trade a morning, it would be after the first hour of trading, so like 10:30 a.m. to
Potential elevator
11:30,
on
and
ES.
not trading the afternoon. So I'm trying to stay away from two
Potential
trading sessions.
EPS on
My God,
MQ.
shut up, lady. Um, Trying to get to where I'm not trading two sessions and trying to keep it about an hour of trading when I do get started. That's about it. That's
TDS on MQ. Potential effects on ES.
You listen to this lady over and over again. I need to figure out how to mute her out. I just haven't went over to it doesn't matter. Um, I appreciate those that are listening to me. I appreciate it. We're in the process of trying to get paid on the PA now here at Apex Trader Funding. Something I have not accomplished. I accomplished it at the former company on several different times over my 7 years there, making more than I pulled away in the end, or made more pulling out than I had to put in. At Apex, it's been the reverse. I've had to, as you can see, I think this was my 58 EA that turned to PA6. So think of it on one side, and most of them have been at 80% to 90% off. So even if you figure that out, let's just say they're at 90%. Let's say all 58 were at 90% off. We'll go 80% off because that's pretty close. So that's minus 167. So 33, it worked out to be $36 and something. So we'll say
Trap
37.
orders with exhaustion
37
bots on
times
ES.
58 is
Elevator on ES.
2,146. That's just the EAs that I've bought in, 58 of them. So that doesn't include resets and so like I said, I'm going to have to get 2,000 to get basically to break even on Apex, that first withdrawal, and then the next 2,000 will definitely pull me into the bonus column. So it'd be basically two withdrawals of 2,000 each. So what's the overall goal? For first goal is get to 56 and go back to 54,000, then get to 60,000 and take out a new 2,000 to get to about, was that 58,000, I guess, would be the balance.
Potential elevator on MQ.
So 56 to take two, and then starting at 54, getting 59 to 60,000 to get to another two to start the next one at 57 to 58,000. So basically, I'll have a cushion built up, and then hopefully in that process, I'll move from the PA into a real funded account in the future too. So that's the overall goal, arching goal right now, is to move from PA to be a real funded trader as I can prove myself in time that I am. There's a lot more to do. I got a lot more to accomplish at this point in time. The first goal basically was
Potential
just
effects on MQ.
to have a positive day in the
Potential
PA.
TBS on RVY.
Just a positive day in the PA is really what I was trying to accomplish. And then kind of build on that, have positive days, try to keep my losses. I'm really trying to keep my losses.
Potential TX on ES. Potential double TX on ES.
trying to keep my loss between 500 and 600 on a losing day. That's the overall goal. Winning, try to get between 3 to 5 or better. And then obviously if you have a loss to start with, be able to recoup that loss and go into the bonus column. That's a win as well. All right. That's it. Dave Knight here at DaveKnightTrading.com. Thanks for watching today. Thanks for being here.
Potential effects on MQ.
This happens to be my weekly update video for the week. We'll see you on next week's video at some point. Bye now.